What's going on? Today we're gonna replace the lift pump with the Fleece intake pump. This is on an 05 Chevy. I've already disconnected the wiring. I think that's just for the level gauge. I've removed this fitting here. As you can see, you have to kind of pry at these little clips. And I just used a series of screwdrivers and this guy, just this flat one here, or this pokey one. But yeah, I would say the most difficult part was getting the those fuel fittings off, and the rest should be pretty simple. I'm going to set it up here and watch me do this.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys. Sound right, boys. It sound right, boy.
Alright, what's going on? We're unboxing the Fleece Performance intake pump for the 01, I believe. Sorry, 04.5 to 07 GM. We're doing this right on the Chevy because it's kind of spitting outside. I don't have a nicer place to do this. The truck's basically going to be stock, so I figured this is a good piece. In the first box here, we have some wiring and the level gauge. Looks like nice, cozy, as always, and a sticker. Very nice. I'll set that down. Nicely packaged here is the lift pump. Pretty excited to install one of these because I haven't installed one yet. Limited lifetime warranty is always good. How's it going, guys? We're continuing on with the Duramax build here. I was able to get the fuel lines on. I don't know if you can see that. It's probably pretty dark. But I found a 1/2 inch fuel line from Parker that clipped onto that hose or that metal piece. And then I got a 3/8 line for the return from Napa, and then we'll go to the back to the fleece pump. So it took me quite a bit of time to get it on, and I actually found the best method was channel locks. So I basically just kept going around like this, gripping it, and that seemed to be the best to get it on. And I will install the fuel lines now. Here's the part number for the 3/8 return lines for the fuel. This one right here. And the 1/2 inch is a Vibrant Performance number. I'll get that number later. I'm just using an X-Acto knife to cut the lines. There we go. Got that all hooked up. I'll take you to the front where I hooked up the wiring. So the power is just right here. The ground is right here. And the fuse is on ignition E. So there you go, guys. That's the Fleece install for the intank lift pump. I would say install was about took me a few days, but I didn't really work on it full, like steady. The hardest thing was getting the old lift pump out, and yeah, I'll do a video of it once we get it running, and I'll do some more videos of how it performs later on. Alright, follow along, like, subscribe, comment, what do you think? Thanks.